Good morning, 5th class children. We are doing activity book. Now today activity book page number 16 children. Open your activity book and look page number 16. Find out this number here. How you will get this number? First add these two numbers and subtract from 126. Now add these two numbers children. 8 plus 1 how much? 9. 3 plus 7 how much? 10. 109 we get 71 plus 38. Now subtract from 126. 126 minus 109. 6 minus 9. Not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 16. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 9 how much? 7. Next 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now what is the answer? 17. 17 plus 71 plus 38 equal to 126. Next one. Same dash plus 44 plus 74 equal to 190. First add these two numbers. 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4. Take 4 fingers, 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11. 118. Next. Subtract from 190. 190. 0 minus 8. Not possible. Get borrowed. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 how much? 2. 8 minus 1? 7. 1 minus 1? 0. So what is the answer? 72. Next one. 146 equal to 76 plus dash plus 17. So add 76 and 17. You will get the one number. That number subtract from 146. Now add 76 plus 17. 6 plus 7 how much? 6 plus 7? 13. 7 plus 1? 8. 8 plus 1 carry? 9. 93. 93 subtract from 146. 146. 6 minus 3? 3. 4 minus 9? Not possible. Get borrow. 1 becomes 0. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 14. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 5. 53. So here 53 is the answer. Next 182 equal to 72 plus dash plus 89. Here also add these two numbers. 72 plus 89. Look, 2 plus 9 how much? 11. One is in answer place, one is carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7 how much? 16. 161. Subtract from 182. 182. Now 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. What is the answer? 21. Next, 135 is equal to 44 plus 50. First add 44 and 50. How much? 4 plus 0? 4. 4 plus 5? 9. Subtract from 135. 135. 5 minus 4? 1. 3 minus 9? Not possible. Get borrow. 1 becomes 0, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 13. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. How 41 is the answer. Next, dash plus 56 plus 43 equal to 150. How much? Plus 56 plus 43 equal to 150. First add these two numbers and take them to right hand side and subtract there. So first add these two numbers. 6 plus 3 how much? 9. 5 plus 4? 9. Subtract from 150. 0 minus 9. Not possible. Get borrow. 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9? 1. Again 4 minus 9? Not possible. Get borrow. 1 becomes 0. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 14. 9 after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 5. 51 is the answer. Next, 124 equal to 34 plus 15. Plus how much? 34 plus 15. Add 34 plus 15. 34 plus 15 how much? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 how much? 9. 3 plus 1? 4. So 34 plus 15? 49. Subtract from 124. 124. 4 minus 9. Not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 14. 9 after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. 1 minus 4. Not possible. So get borrow. 1 becomes 0. This one becomes 11. 11 minus 4. Count 4 after up to 11. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 7. 75 is the answer. Next, 190 is equal to 58 plus dash plus 99. So add 58 and 99. Add 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. How much? 17. 7 is in answer place. 1 is carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 157. Subtract from 190. 0 minus 7. Not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7. 3. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. 3. 1 minus 1. 0. So 33 is the answer. Next, 236 equal to 125 plus 28 plus dash. So add 125 and 28. Add ones place digits. 8 plus 5 how much, children? 13. 1 is carry forward. 3 is in answer place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Here no hundreds place. So write 1 only. 153. Subtract from 236. 236. 6 minus 3. 3. 3 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 8. So 83 is the answer. Next, 584 is equal to 300 plus 67. Plus how much? So 300 plus 67 how much? 367. 367 subtract from 584. 4 minus 7. Not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7. In 14 there are 2 sevens. We are subtracting 1 7. How many are remaining? 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 217. Next one. 6290 is equal to 3000 plus 2500 plus how much? So first add these two numbers. 3000 plus 2000, 5000 plus 500. So 5500. Subtract from 6290. 6290. Subtract. 0 minus 0. 0. 9 minus 0. 9. 2 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 7. 5 minus 5, 0. So what is the answer here? 790. If you add these three numbers, then you will get 6290 here. Next one. 1085 is equal to 800 plus dash plus 5. This one try to do, children. Add the following numbers, children. Here are large numbers. This chapter is about large numbers and its operations now. So large number additions are here. So add 8 plus 8, how much, children? 16. 1 is carry forward, 6 is in answer place. Next, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8, how much? 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Look here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Next one. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 4, 11. 2 plus 1, 3. Here are no numbers to add. So write it down. Those two numbers, children. Next, 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. The remaining 3 place values are no numbers here. So write it down, those numbers. No numbers are here to add. So write it down the first row numbers. Next, 6 plus 9, 15. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1, both are equal. We have learned in the previous class, 4th class, addition properties. What are those? Commutative property, associative property, identity property. So this is commutative property. 1 plus 6 equal to 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 how much? 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 14. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 6, 10. Look here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Next row, children. Here are four rows of numbers. Some are large numbers and some are small numbers. So add first ones place digits. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 17 after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 2 is carry forward. 6 is in answer place. Now here 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6. 19 after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 plus 0, 25. 2 is carry forward. 5 is in answer place. Next 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Next 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. Next 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. So here these two place values, no numbers to add here, children. So write it down, those two numbers. 81. Next one. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, 18 after 19, 20, 21. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 8. Take 8 fingers, count 15 after. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 3, 24, 25, 26. Next 7 plus 2. So here 0 na, 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8, 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 is carry forward, another 2 is in answer place. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. 1 is carry forward, 5 is in answer place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 7. 17 after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 2 is carry forward, 4 is in answer place. So here only 3 is there. 3 plus 2 carry 5. So you will check the place values and add, children. So here ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 Next 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 7. 8 after 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 plus 8. 15 after 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. Next 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 8. 14 after 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. 22 plus 0 22. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 8 after 9 10 11 12 13. 13 plus 0 13. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 6 20. Next 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 17. 8 plus 1 9. Next 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 6 24. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 7 24. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 0 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 6 19. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 plus 5 18. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 3 9. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 plus 1 2. There is no number to add, so write it down 7. Next 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 8 21. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 9 23. 23 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 23 after 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. So 3 is carry forward, 1 is in answer place. Next 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 2 20. So there is no number to add here. So 2 is carry forward, 0 is in answer place. 4 plus 2 6. Here no number. Next 6 plus 7 13. 10,000s place. So 1 plus 1 2. Here no number. Next 5. 2 plus 5 7. Lakhs 7 plus 2 9. 10 lakhs 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 or 6 plus 3 9. And there is another row in your activity book, children. Those sums do yourself, children. So this is last row, children. These 4 sums do. Additions very easy na. Do yourself, children. And page number 15, children, complete the following by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9 to form the numbers. Same as like page number 14, children. There we done 7 digits, 7 digit numbers, and here they are asking 8 digit, children. So largest number. So this is the largest number. Smallest number. 8 digit smallest number. This is the smallest number. And here they are asking subtract 10 from this number. So subtract 10 then you will get this number. And here add 1000 to this number. 8 digit smallest number plus 1000. Then you will get this number. So what is the smallest even number you can make with the digits? This is the even number. And odd number, largest odd number. Make an 8 digit number which is exactly divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, the sum of the digits are divisible by 9. Here add all the digits and divide with 9. So this number also divisible by 9. Write any 4 numbers between the smallest and largest number formed using the above digits. So write between the numbers. What are those? Smallest and largest numbers. Between smallest and largest numbers. Here these 4 are the numbers, children. As your wish, you will also write some more numbers, children, and make them to in ascending order and in descending order. Okay, children. Page number 17 we will discuss in the next video, children.